This is the old community where they normally park here. Park, basketball, chess, checker, another park for the community, and another New York store, the She Shop January. So bar and restaurant. No parking, 7 a.m. Stop for me. I've been walking this way, so I found a spot. Okay. So we're in like near the central Chinatown. Okay, cool. Huh?
Some people crazy.
Cat?
Some people crazy. They want to eat sushi.
Only sushi? Yeah, that's what they're known for. I'll take a picture of this. Smell like chinatown, right? Yes. It smell like one? Smell like it? You smell like it? You smell like it? Alright.
May lie.
Yeah, I'll take a look at it.
Order like 2 or 3 of them. Wait. Cho cây nhỏ.
Có bán qua cái đó. Đối mãi đâu chỉ nó phải đó ông mày mày lại nhiều
So I guess one of the famous. You can get it, I'm not getting it. I'll walk around here, take a picture of Chinatown, Flushing Bank. We got gift shop, 3 for $20. Sweet. Famous one. Famous traffic. Dawn Tower. Sure this right here. This is one of the famous ones. It's a long line inside. So, yeah, it's like famous bun. It's one of the famous one in on YouTube and all that. Yeah. So yeah. Cash only. Tauntaun. wrap up.
最起码算点油费。
咩車？咩車？咩車到你嗰度啊？
Stop.